Alright, so strong, part F. Right, so what we've been writing is we've started with nitric acid in all 5 cases, and we're reacting it with sodium hydroxide. In this case, we still have the same amount, 0.010 moles of nitric acid, which we found, again, because we have 50 mils or 0.050 liters of 0.2 molar HNO3. Molarity equals moles over liters, therefore molarity liters equals moles, and we can calculate the 0.01. In the case of the base, we have 200 mils of 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide, so we've got 0.020 moles. Now, the only products are water and the 2 inert ions, spectator ions, and so we've no concern with what we produce. That's the initial. The change, all of this is going to react because it's a strong acid. Only 0.01 of this is going to react because it's 1:1. And so our final is going to be none of this and 0.010 moles of this. Now, that's a strong base, sodium hydroxide. So we've got 0.010 moles of hydroxide ions in how much water? Well, we had 50 mils here and 200 mils here, so we've got 0.250 liters of water, or 250 milliliters. Now, if you want to pause this and figure out the molarity without your calculator, do so now. So this is the same as 0.010 over 1/4, or 0.010 times 4/1, so the molarity is 0.040 molar. Now finally, that's molar hydroxide. So finally, we've got 2 steps. We can use this number to find the pOH, and then from there you find the pH, or you could use this to find the concentration of H's, and from that find the pH. You'll remember that, different color, you'll remember that concentration H3O plus from concentration OH minus, we're going to use 1 times 10 to the negative 14th. To get from the concentrations to the p values, pOH or pH, we're going to use, either going this way, we're going to use the negative log of the cons. Going this way, we're going to take 10 to the negative of the pH, similar over here. Or we can go from pH to pOH, because pH plus pOH equals 14. So in our particular case, bearing that in mind, I'm going to take the first road here, going from the concentration of OHs to the pOH, so I'm going to take the negative log of, no brackets, 0.040 molar, and that gets me something on the order of 1.4, so that is the pOH. Now I'll use this piece of the road here, and pH plus pOH equals 14, so x plus 1.4 equals 14, or the pH is equal to 12.6. If you have any questions, make sure you reference the color that was used for that particular part that you're asking about.